monde, j'espère que vous allez bien. A breaking news for all of you, the TEF Canada exam pattern has been changed from 11th of December 2023 all across the centers in the world. But is that really a breaking news? Not really, because we knew this and I have already made a video on this, and here you go. The link who do not know what exactly has been changed, you can go ahead and watch this video. And for the ones who do not know, just to give you a brief idea, the comprehensive oral, listening and comprehensive écrit reading has been changed with no change in expressive écrit and speaking, which is expressive oral, which is a great news for all TEF takers for sure. Now, this video is something about a thing which actually might shake the entire French community. Because this isn't something that we all are taking TEF for to gain CLB7. And for now, we were only getting CLB7 if we were scoring 450 plus, specifically in writing, listening, speaking, and reading, which is not the case anymore. Yes, you heard it right. Let me break this news to you, my dear community. This has been changed. Yes, you heard it right. Now, new CLB score, CLB7, CLB grid is this. So, I have the grid right in front of me, to which I can see now, even if you get 434 in listening and reading, you still get CLB7. Of course, you must have 428 and above in writing and 456 in speaking. So if you understand the difference, speaking has gone up a bit and listening, reading and writing has gone down a bit, which is excellent news for the French community, because this is something we were all waiting for. I have seen the results of my own students who has scored 448 in listening or 447 in listening, but unfortunately they have taken the exam before 11th of December. So if you've taken the exam before 11th of December, the CLB7 new score won't be applicable. It is only applicable if you take the exam on the new pattern, which is after 11th of December, and you get this score. In order to validate this information, I wrote an email to CCIP Paris to have share with you guys an authentic piece of information. And the good news is that they have replied me saying yes, this has changed. So I'll put this obviously here to share the information which they have gone ahead and replied to me with. So the ancien format means the old format was this, which you used to put in the IRCC calculator, and now the new format going to be this. So this is what will be your score that you're going to put in the TEF Canada IRCC calculator to calculate your score or CRS points basically. So this sounds to me a great news, especially with listening getting tougher and tougher day by day for most of you. I know with the change in the pattern, there was a havoc, there was a panic in the French fraternity. Having said that, I'm sure a little bit of leverage would help most of you. If you want to know more about it, feel free to comment. You can join my Telegram channel. You can join our wonderful classes. We are helping lots and lots of students all across worldwide, and most of you are getting the PR, which is like our dream come true, because we are actually contributing to the society, and that's just an amazing feeling. For the ones who wants to know about the changes, go ahead and watch this video. And if you want me to make a separate video then how to tackle the new pattern in terms of listening and reading, please comment below and I'll be very happy to make a separate video only for that, so that you guys who are taking the TEF based on the new format now knows how to deal with the listening and the reading, so that you get the PR soon. Please feel free to comment, join our community, subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, just put the thumbs up there. Thank you. Au revoir.